Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm excited to present another delicious, healthy recipe. This one happens to be vegan as well. Let's go to the ingredients. I'm using about 15 smaller tomatoes, 2 avocados, 1 red onion, which I will split between the avocados and tomatoes, the juice of a lime, 1 teaspoon of not spicy chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 onions, which I will combine with the beans. I'm using pinto beans for this recipe. You could also use black beans. I do not recommend this with kidney beans. I have a pack of 500 grams in front of me, but I'll only be using half. Then, of course, some large tortilla wraps. I've soaked the pinto beans overnight and then cooked them in fresh water for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I chop the white onions and briefly stir fry them until golden. Then I cut the red onion in small pieces and also the tomatoes. Half of the red onion gets combined with the tomatoes along with some fresh lime juice. I smush the avocados with the back of a fork and add some lime juice, chili flakes, as well as the remainder of the red onion. The beans are ready. I puree them in a blender and combine with the golden onions. I'm ready now to combine all the ingredients. So for this, I add a generous amount of the beans and guacamole to the wrap and roll. And voila, you have yourself a very delicious, totally satisfying vegan meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes.